Welcome! Today, I'll show you an easy way to add and remove Strikethrough in Excel. Ready to go? Hi, and welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Joanne, and our team is here to help you master Excel with quick and easy tutorials. Let's get started with using Strikethrough. To apply Strikethrough to text, numbers, or symbols in Excel, first click on the cell with the content you want to strike through. Head to the Home tab, find the Font section, and click this small arrow in the corner to open Font Options. In the Font dialog, check the box for Strikethrough and click OK. Your text now has the Strikethrough effect. You can also apply Strikethrough to multiple cells at once. Simply select all the cells you want to change. Let's select these two. Now, right-click, choose Format Cells, and check the Strikethrough box. Click OK, and the effect is applied across all selected cells. If you ever need to remove Strikethrough, just select the cells, open the Format Cells dialog using either method we've covered, and uncheck the Strikethrough box. Click OK, and the effect is gone. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and check out more Excel tips from Tech Leveler. If you're new to our channel, hit subscribe and join the Tech Leveler community. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.